Hi Abhir.
Hello, sir.
So Abhir, what do you do?
So for the past 4 years, I have been a practicing advocate. Before that, I used to teach judiciary students. Uh,
Wonderful.
when I say advocate, my area of practice is mainly land disputes and white collar crimes, and that too primarily in High Court. I also do RERA matters and tribunal matters also.
Great, wonderful. So
Hmm.
you have a very unique profile, a teacher, a
Uh,
professor turned advocate, that too on the litigation side, looking at the real estate side
yeah.
and also criminal and other civil matters. So you have a very multidisciplined practice.
Yeah, so as I am in my budding phase, so I do whatever comes my way. I don't pick and choose because every case is a learning experience.
I'm sure about that. And you
Hmm.
happen to be a very learned person. It's my honor to have
Hmm.
you in this session today. So thank you so much,
Hmm.
first of all, for accepting our invite, Abhi.
Oh, please, no worries.
So, Abhi,
Hmm.
tell us more about your journey. Apparently, what has been your education background?
So I did my graduation from National Law University, Bhopal.
Wow,
I from 2015 to 20 batch. I graduated in 2020. Then after that, as it was that year was hit for what COVID, so I endured into teaching from my home. So it was a very good learning experience for what past 15 months.
great, wonderful.
Hmm.
So, NLU is always respected, and having someone from NLU sitting in front of me is a
Hmm.
great honor. Uh, so, post that education, how did you reach this journey? Tell me more about your work experience before
So
you
before
got into litigation.
yeah, so let me first tell you how I got like you before going preparing for CLAT. I was a CS student. I was pursuing company secretary. So one of my faculty said that I should pursue BLLB also. So that with company secretary course, I prepared for CLAT also, and I got in myself admitted into National Law University Bhopal. But thereafter, when I interned in Trilegal, I came to know that this corporate world is not for me. So I didn't pursue CS further. Then I ventured into this litigation, and found my mojo there.
Great, great. Anything you want to add to it about your work
Uh,
experience, Abhi?
I would say that anyone who wants to pursue litigation, it's a very like a patient. You have to be like patient for like next 5 to 10 years. You should expect nothing from this profession. It's a very hard, one of the hardest profession you can ever see, because you have to compete with the most established names in this industry, and you have to make your own space. So you have to be patient, and as I said, every case is a learning experience. Yeah, your
I
knowledge is
can
power,
imagine
and
that.
mm,
Very well, very well. So, I think the hardest question I would want to put forward
mm,
now. Not everyone likes this
mm.
question, but I have to ask you this question. Having said that, Abhir, how much money do you make in a year?
So it's very variable as my I because I'm not salaried, so I would say like 8 to 9 per lakhs per annum.
All
It's
right, all
you
right,
can
all right.
be the safe. It's a safe space to be here.
I can understand that. So, are you happy with this kind of money you're making, Abhir?
Yes, I am. Like money is never the more you get, the less it seems to be. So I am happy right now for whatever I am earning.
Right, it happens to be a very standard answer for
Hmm.
most of the people.
Hmm.
So great
Yes.
that you're being honest and very candid about your opinion
No,
about.
I would say that I have ambitions of buying a Mercedes Maybach and stuff, but it eventually it will come. So I cannot just jump to it or
Right,
like worry about it.
wonderful, good approach to life.
Hmm.
So,
Yeah.
so as you mentioned very rightly, there are
Hmm.
so many advocates around. So, what differentiates you from that ocean of advocates, Abhir?
Yeah.
What is your X factor?
Hmm. So my X factor is I have accepted that is as I said, I was a marathon runner. So
Oh yeah,
accepted
marathon
it
runner.
that yeah. So it is a marathon. So I am playing the long game here for 10. I am being patient for the next 10 years. I am not expecting much. I know the boom will come after 10 years. And another thing
Right.
that I am very focused. Unlike other people, I am very focused for this.
Very well. I can
I
very
don't.
well see that vibes of talking to a very focused person in front of me. So Great. So
The
patience and focus. That
yeah.
are the. Do you want to add something to these two factors, Abhir?
Yeah, so why I say I focus. So as I said that in litigation, you initially you don't get you get paid very less. So I getting corporate offers from like firms in Mumbai and Delhi, but like a lakh per month. But I am not joining it. I know that there will be a time I will be earning like a day of this amount. So like I am focused
Nice.
for litigation only.
So you have focus, patience, and your how do I put it in words? Your think big mindset. I think
Hmm.
is what I see are your three major X factors.
Yes, you can say.
Wonderful, wonderful. It was so very nice to talk to you, Abhir. It was my total pleasure to have you on board in this session. And
Pleasure
have a
is mine to
nice
have
day.
you.
Have a nice week ahead. Take care and all the very best. Bye.
Thank you.